Hey, welcome to Just One More Tool. I don't wrench for a living, but I do like professional grade mechanic tools. To save money, I typically buy tools used. Sometimes I'll buy a tool new if it makes sense. With that said, I'd like to share tool haul number 1. I found these on OfferUp. The gentleman was asking $75 each, and he had these in 2 separate listings. I threw out an offer, $100 for both of them, and he accepted. The 3/8 ratchet, Matco, part number BFR128BLF. 1/4-inch ratchet, part number AFR68BLF. So the 1/4-inch retails for $195, and the 3/8 ratchet retail $215. So together, these are over $400 in retail. Purchased them at about 25 cents on the dollar. These are both made in USA. Got the American flag right there. They're both 88 tooth. Locking flex heads. Got the locking feature right here. There we go. And heads on these are slimmer than the Snap-on 80 tooth. I don't think these are quite as smooth as Snap-on. These do have the black chrome finish, which I think really looks nice with the blue handles. What do you guys think? Would you have bought these for $100? Deals are out there, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time, just one more tool.